What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how you can change your app icons on your iPhone so you can have a more organized phone. Okay, to start out we need to unlock the icons. There are three ways to do that. The first and easiest one is to just click anywhere on your phone where there aren't any icons. I'm gonna click here and you have to hold it there until the icons start to dance, like so. Okay, as you can see, the icons are dancing. Even if we go to the other screen where there are other icons, they're all dancing as well. Okay, that's one way of doing that. And then I'm going to just click anywhere on the screen where there aren't any icons, like so. And as you can see, they stop dancing, which means they are in locked position. Now, what's another way to unlock them? You can select any of the icons and just leave them with your thumb pressed on them until they start dancing. Like so. Okay, so that's the second way. Now let's check out the third way. I'm gonna click right here to lock them again. Okay, the third way is to hold any of the icons until the prompt appears, like so. Okay, as you see, there's this prompt right now with several options. Now, if you can see here, it says Edit Home Screen. We're going to click on it. And again, we have unlocked the icons, which means that we can now move them around or even delete them if you want. For this first example, I'm going to move this icon onto the other screen. What we're going to do is hold the icon with our thumb. Okay, hold it for a little, and now we can move it around. Once we know that we can move it around, you're gonna push it to the left side, like so. As you see, I moved it to the other screen on the left. And I can just let go right now. The icons are still unlocked. However, I can still hold it and select it again so I can move it around on this screen, like so. So I can organize, like as you can see, I can move around, I can move this icon around, and I can organize it wherever I want. You can even do something like this. You can create folders. So if you have icons that have the same utility, you can organize them in the same manner. For example, I have these two icons, which are for plane tickets. I can hold one, and I hold this one, and I'm going to place it on top of this one, which is like this. As you can see, it created a folder. I'm going to name it Travel as a default, and then I'm just gonna click here. As you can see, here is a new folder. This is another way to organize your files. So I hope this was helpful, guys. I'm just going to click right here on empty space so we can lock the icons in place. And as you can see, they're all locked in place. So I hope this was helpful, guys. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my other videos so you can get more tips.